Alright, what's up everybody? I got more Celica stuff for today. This video might be kind of boring because it's just me, so there won't be any memes or jokes. Oh man, this is so weird talking to yourself. Every time I get in front of the camera I forget what I want to say. I guess we'll just get right into it. So here it is. I got this Tsunami rear bumper that we're gonna slap on the Celica today. It is kind of dirty. I don't know if you guys could see it on the camera. There you go, there's like all the dirt and stuff. The paint is in pretty good condition though. A little fact about the Tsunami bumpers. It was like a limited edition Celica, so it came with like front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and a spoiler. And I think it was only like offered for like 2004, 2005. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But silver is definitely not an original color. I think this bumper was previously a black bumper and then it was painted a silver. It was painted a 2000 to 2002 silver. In case you didn't know, the 03 to 05 silver is slightly different. I don't know, from a glance you can't really tell. But I guess we'll compare it once we put it on, since it's gonna be like side by side, and then we'll see. But I think the pre-facelift silver has like a little bit of sparkle or something, I don't know. But that bumper definitely looks better than this one, looks wise and condition wise. So yeah, let's get going. Man, this is my first video by myself, so it does feel kind of weird, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so first things first, we're gonna have to take this bumper off. All right, so first we're gonna take this panel off. As you can see, that one and that one, gonna take those off, and it's gonna be same on the other side too. All right, so I just got done on both sides. Now we're gonna have to remove this piece right here. Usually you'd have like a plastic clip, a 10mm bolt right there, another plastic clip, and then that 10mm. But I'm like missing everything. That's the only one I have, so that's the only one I'm gonna remove. And then we're gonna pull this up. I'm gonna pull this whole piece up, and it should reveal the bolts that are in there. All right, that's literally the only bolt that I have. And then we're just gonna pull on this upwards. The whole thing should just come off. Right here are where the 10mm bolts are gonna be. You can see the studs are super long, so you're gonna need like a deep socket, something like this. You got 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take those off, and then we're gonna move on to the sides. All right, so I just got those 10mm bolts out. Now we're gonna move on to the side. All right, so back here, so these are the bolts I'm talking about, these two. Yeah, so my ratchet doesn't really fit in there. So either you're gonna need a small one or maybe like a wrench. I'm gonna try a wrench. Oh shit, okay, this blows. I really can't even fit it. Never mind, I was barely able to do it. So after you do this side, just do the same on the other side. All right, so the last part is gonna be in the same spot where you took off the 2 bolts down here. But it's gonna be like right under. Not sure if you guys will be able to see it. Oh, right there, that plastic clip right there. This is the last thing we need to take off. That's holding on to the bumper. So I literally just ripped this, I just yanked this thing off. But I want to show you guys what kind of shitty clip this is. But I can't even take it out. Oh, finally. So this is the stupid ass clip I'm talking about. I don't know why they use these kind of clips. Some bitch to take out. Whoever designed this, your mom's a hoe. So yeah, I'm definitely not gonna put these clips back in. I don't know about this though. This is kind of like a splash guard, I guess. Even though mine's cracked. Jank ass clip. Oh, I swear, if there's like more clips under there, I'm gonna freaking blow up. It's kind of hot right now. Even though it said it's supposed to rain in like a few hours. Fucking bipolar ass weather. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Dude, there's still clips on the rear lip thing underneath. Oh man, so many useless clips. I think it'd be easier if I had a jack to lift it up, but I let my friend borrow it, so, and I'm low, so it's kind of hard to get underneath there. Oh damn. All right, update. Finally got another stupid ass clip out. This is such a bitch. There's definitely a way to take these out, but dude, it's so hard to take out. I just ended up breaking it and everything. I mean, it's just a bumper. It literally has like 4 bolts in the middle, 2 on each side, 2 on like the wheel well area. No need for these useless clips that are so hard to take out. Well, I still got one more to go. Probably gonna take me another like freaking 20 minutes just to get this stupid ass clip out. All right, after some finessing and finagling and yada yada, finally got this bumper off. So this tab and that tab, that's where those jank ass clips go and connect underneath the rear of the car. Holy shit, they were a bitch. God damn. I think I'd have an easier time putting in like a 2JZ or something in this car than taking those freaking clips out. Level of difficulty 11 out of 10. Unless you got like, or like those big scissor thingy majiggies. I don't even know what they're called, but unless you got those or something, that'd probably be easier. But all I had was a flathead and these tweezers. Broke the shit out of all the clips. It's kind of a mess right now. All the dirt and everything. Just to get this freaking bumper off. Yo, that low-key looks kind of cool without the rear bumper, and you just have this exhaust and you can see the wheels. Looks pretty sick. Race car, baby. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the rear bumper real quick. Might as well. All right, much better. Bumperless look looks kind of cool, to be honest. Not gonna run it, but I like how the exhaust just kind of like pokes out. While we're at it, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean the exhaust off, make it more shiny, and take off like some of that plastic off. We'll see what I can do. All right, so I found some Easy Off in the kitchen. I'm gonna spray it on and see what happens. Okay, never mind, I have no idea. I guess I'll just try to polish the tip. That's probably gonna be poking out. So I'm gonna try out some of this. I also found in the kitchen. And I got some steel wool. Dude, yeah, I don't even know if I'm doing any of this correctly, but we'll see. I don't know. Looks kind of the same. I think originally it looked kind of like a gold color, and now it's like more silver. So the bumper's kind of dirty too. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a wash. And then we're gonna finally put this onto the car. And it's gonna look sick. So I don't think I'm gonna put these side pieces on. I mean, like this one's all broken, and then yeah, I don't know. Get that shit out of here. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna put the 8 bolts back in, the 4 in the middle, and then the 2 on each side, and then we'll just call it a day. All right, so a little update. The sun's gone down. It got cloudy. It's about to rain. But I'm not sure if I'm dumb or something, but I couldn't get the bumper on with the foam. I don't know if the Tsunami ones require a different one or something, but I just took it out and now I'm able to clip in the sides. I did not add those bolts or clip the bottom or anything, just the ones that are inside. Overall, this thing looks sick. Oh yeah, and earlier I was talking about how the 2 silvers are supposed to be kind of different. I don't know if the camera's able to pick it up, but looks like the 2000 to 02 is slightly darker than the 03 to 05 silver. Not sure, or maybe because my paint is just shit already. But yo, check that out. With the NVIDIA exhaust too. Ooh! Also, a little quick fact check. The stock Tsunami bumper actually has like some plastic fake exhaust tip, and usually when people go aftermarket they cut it out so they could fit the longer tip exhaust. But yo, overall I am pretty pleased with how this turned out. Definitely looks better than that, especially because this one's in poor condition. Anyways, I think that'll be it for today. This was my first video by myself, so it was kind of like awkward and it's probably a little bit boring. And I was just complaining about some lame ass plastic clips, but bear with me as I try to get used to this. I'm still new and still learning, so yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless, and we'll see what I got for next time.